Hello guys, and welcome to mattsbeamer. I really hope you can understand me today. I'm trying to speak quietly as it's very early in the morning and I keep trying to record my videos in the car as it's a car channel, but sometimes it's not as easy as that because if I get home late it's very dark and the interior lights in my car don't really brighten up my face enough. Not that you'd want to see it anyway. But anyway, this is my 100th video, and I just wanted to say a big thank you to those who have subscribed to my channel and for those who regularly support me. It means such a lot to me. I think at the moment of making this video, I have about 2,753 subscribers, which I am so grateful for. I remember when I first started the channel, it took me so long to get 100 subscribers. So I want to say a big thank you to those 753 subscribers so far. Hopefully it will go up and not go down. It will probably drop a few after this video, as some of you don't like me speaking to the camera, I guess. But anyway, a big thank you to those. And also a big thank you to those who regularly comment on my videos, because I do like answering your questions, or I do like it when you speak to me because I know that someone is watching. And when you comment positive or negative comments, it helps me out basically, and it makes me know that I need to aim my channel in a certain direction. Some of you may wonder why I started a YouTube channel, and basically I started the channel in about 2015, I think January the 19th, I'm not too sure, but anyway, the reason I started the channel is because I used to watch YouTube channels like Saab Kyle with his in-depth tours, and I thought I want to give that a go. And plus seeing Paul from Supercars London at his peak, in my opinion, doing lots of really good videos, it made me want to do something. Because when I moved to Russia, before I got Apple TV, all I had was just YouTube, because I don't really understand the television here, and I had a lot of free time until my baby came along, so I kept but when I had the free time I didn't have the cars to film, unfortunately. Anyway, the first video I ever filmed didn't even make it onto my YouTube channel. Actually, a few of the videos I filmed didn't reach it to my channel because I didn't know how to film, basically, and I didn't know what to say. And I basically, when I first started YouTube, I used to speak over the camera while recording, and for me that's very difficult because my brain, as you probably know, goes blank, and I need to do the voiceover, and it takes absolutely ages when editing. So the first video on my channel was an in-depth tour on a 2011 Nissan Tida, and I was outside the villa that I rented in Armu, which is near Paphos in Cyprus, and I enjoyed filming it, but I struggled to speak at the time, as you probably noticed, because my confidence was low, and the more I speak on camera, the clearer my voice gets, apart from now, because I'm trying to speak quietly. And I'm probably speaking a lot of gobbledygook at the moment, because my brain is so tired. But anyway, I filmed the Nissan Tida, I recorded it on the camera while filming the car, and it took absolutely ages to edit it on this free editing program, and the sound quality was awful too. And after that, I uploaded it on the wrong channel, which was a pain, but it got loads of views on that channel. But on my mattsbeamer channel, it got about 10,000 views, which I'm happy with. I'm very happy, and it's still getting views now. And after that, I went to England to visit my family, and my mum had a Daihatsu on the driveway, just sitting there, and basically it was bought as a project, but it was a lot more rusty than we imagined, well, my family imagined. it couldn't be put on the road, so it was just used as a proper off-roader. But that video quality was awful too. And the video after that, I think, was recording some random Russian cars outside a toy shop in Moscow, and that was not very good either. But believe it or not, that Daihatsu, was it called Sport Track, got, just checking the computer at the same time, 17,000 views, which is quite good considering. But it's funny, I do lots of videos, lots of in-depth tours. Some get loads of views, like my brother's Mark II Ford Focus, and others get hardly any views, like the Chevrolet Cruze. And I believe my friend on Lloyd Vehicle Consulting also struggled with views on the Chevrolet Cruze. So yeah, I started making the YouTube channel a in-depth tour channel, like Saab Car. But after a while, I realised that people will think I'm trying to be like Saab Car, which I would really like his subscriber count. So what I started doing was trying to change it up a bit by just filming loads of aspects of the car and trying to add more camera views to the videos. And it seemed to work, first of all, on the W210 Mercedes E-Class video, and people seem to like that new format, which I'm happy about. The cars I've done in-depth tours on, I shall just list out to you. I'm going to read my computer now, so if I'm looking away and you can see in my ear, I apologise. I made in-depth tours on the Nissan Tida, the Daihatsu Sport Track, the Chevrolet Cruze, a few videos on the Mark 7 Golf 1.2 TSI, a Land Rover 90, a Vauxhall Astra H, a Ford Focus Mark 2.5 Titanium, which is my brother's one, and that one has got about 73,000 views. Obviously, those who subscribe to my channel because of my one series, I did an in-depth tour on that too. Some random larders like the Granta and the Vesta, like the Vesta CNG, which is compressed natural gas. What other ones have I done? Sorry. An E90 325i, the W210 E-Class. My dad's old Porsche Cayenne 2003 one, and it was a 4.5S. The new Beetle, but it's not a new one, but it's the first of the new type, a convertible version. A Mitsubishi Pajero, the 1997 shape. A Fiat Bravo or Fiat Punto, I can't remember that one. The X6, which is my dad's current car. A Mark III Escort, which was a bit rusty. It was so rusty, even the exhaust was missing. The a E70 X5 that I had in Greece for 2 years on the trot. And the last one I did was my friend's Porsche Cayman S. It's a special design one. Only 777 were made. It's known as the Porsche Design Edition 1. A beautiful car, I love it. But I'm supposed to be filming his Lamborghini Gallardo soon, hopefully. It's quite difficult because the weather in Moscow, the snow will prevent it coming out on the streets. This is a bit of a pain, really. Apart from making these in-depth tours, sorry, that humming noise is annoying me, I'm going to turn the fridge off and hopefully I remember to turn it back on. Hopefully it's better now, and yes, I hope I turn the fridge back on, otherwise I'm in deep trouble. But anyway, apart from these in-depth tours, I did like mini overviews, I think that's what you call them, and basically what I did was I went to like the local shopping centre, or if I saw a really beautiful car that I could film without anyone saying, "What are you doing?" I would try and do that. I've done cars like the Volvo XC90, the new Volvo S90, the new Mini, well, it was new when I filmed it. Loads of classic cars like the really old Chryslers and Dodges, and one of my favourite cars that I filmed of the older classics was the beautiful, I think it's 1939, BMW 327/28. And I've done a few shows too, like filming the local retro shows or the modding shows, and I thought I did a good job on those because the editing was better, as I didn't speak basically, and I was going along with the music. But unfortunately, when you film events, they're only popular for the first like day or so, but people forget about them, so no one searches for them. And then I did a few point of view videos where I'm driving along and filming with a big camera on my head, which made me look a bit stupid. And then I did some DIY videos, and I started off by trying to create a video on how to change the starter motor on an E90 325i, a 2005 shape. It's a lot harder than it seems, especially when the weather's cold. You're limited to battery life, especially when it's cold. You have to try and figure out an angle to make it clear. You have to try and keep the camera clean. There's so many things you have to think about. And just after that, my wife bought me a F20, the 116, which is the main focus of this channel, it seems, as lots of the people on this channel love my DIY videos. And yeah, I thought I'd teach people how to do certain jobs on their cars, and I really enjoyed doing it. But the thing is, when my car is running correct or perfectly, I can't make many videos on DIY. And also, some people want me to do like service videos on the turbo, but my turbo doesn't need servicing yet, and they want to know how to change certain parts on the car, but like the iDrive or something. But my car doesn't have the iDrive, so in that way I'm limited. But I'm trying my best, and I apologise for being slow at these DIY videos. If you have any ideas for videos for my channel, or you want to see me go in a different direction with my channel, which involves cars, please let me know. Hopefully opportunities may open up in the future so I can make more videos for you. Maybe with the in-depth tours, because I love doing those. Sorry, I'm talking a load of rubbish tonight. I just wanted to get a video out to you guys, because I hate not making videos basically. When you upload a video, it takes a lot of time for people to notice your channel, and if you stop making videos, your algorithm slows down and people don't see your videos. So some of the videos that I put so much effort into don't get seen because I have a long gap between the videos. So I want to say a big thank you once again, as this is my 100th video. Apart from this being my 100th video, I've also got over 1 million views now, which is just incredible. I remember when I only got like a few hundred views a month. Now I get a lot more than that. I think I've got about 1,040,000 views, which for me just blows my mind, because it proves that people are actually seeing my videos. And it seems to be the certain type that they seem to watch. And some of my videos, as I said before, barely get 100 views. It's crazy. But anyway, thank you once again for subscribing and following me. And if there's anything you want to see on my channel to do with cars, please let me know, as I like the challenge of making videos. If there are any cars you want to see in an in-depth tour, let me know the type of cars you would like to see. If there are any DIY videos you want to see, just type down below. Bear in mind that some of them aren't that possible that quick. Maybe in the future I can do them. So please be patient in that way. Thank you so much, and take care, and may the next 100 videos go smooth. Thank you.